me see. Let me see. Look at that.
I'm old. I get to use that excuse.
So I'm assuming we're gonna watch this later.
If you want, I'm not gonna force you.
I've never seen it, so.
Okay.
Look at that bow. That is awesome.
Yeah.
Look at her eyeball. It's so hot. I have like the best eyeball ever.
You know what?
Oh. Oh, look at that thingy. It's got Thule.
Oh, whoa, thank you.
What?
They're
Oh,
out of
thank you.
paper towel, so you get a cloth napkin.
Okay. Thank you. Yep.
How much you bet I can fit that whole rose in my mouth?
Let's see.
She's gonna try. Steffi.
Get my mouth.
She did it. Is it yummy? That's good.
Very good.
Very good?
Yeah, real good cake.
Cake.